Hey guys, I am the PC Goblin. And as you may or may not have known, I haven't had my test bench since I moved into my new house, so almost a year now. And that's because I took its guts, or externals, I'm not really sure what you'd call it, and put it inside the terrible DG76 case. And my wife used that for a year or so until I built a new computer and then she got my old one. So everything's good, but I've needed my Wetbench back desperately so that I can test cards, and I need another computer while my computer is being torn apart so I can throw a custom loop inside of that coming into the near future. So this is not the first step, but one of the steps in many of getting my main computer water cooled. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together and take you along for the ride. Alright, now that we've got it built, let me tell you what we've got going on. We've got 16 gigs of Gale Super Luce RAM. We've got EK water block sitting on top of an i3-8350K, a 500 gig Samsung 850 EVO drive, AMD 570 video card made by ASRock, and all of that's plugged into an ASRock Z370 Tai Chi. Alright guys, the Wetbench is built. You know what's inside or on it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I really enjoyed making it and rebuilding my Wetbench. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to see more of my stuff, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you next time guys. Thank you so much.